Step 1 is nail preparation. Start by gently pushing back your cuticles by using the cuticle tool included in your kit. Now flip your tool the other way round and use this side to clean any dry skin off the nail plate. We are now using the hand file to file our nails into the shape of choice. Then moving on to using our buffer to lightly take the shine away from the natural nail to improve adhesion and longevity. Using a lint-free wipe and our perfect finish cleanser, you're going to wipe away any oils or dust from the nail plate. Now we are going to apply a thin layer of base coat. Remember to always cap the free edge and cure for 60 seconds. When applying our gentle gels, our first coat is going to be thin and even. Again, this will need curing in your lamp for 60 seconds. Once cured, I'm going in with my second coat, making sure it remains thin and even. Once you are happy with your second layer application, you can pop this in the lamp to cure for another 60 seconds. Apply an even layer of top coat over the entire nail and remember to cap the free edge. And again, curing this layer for 60 seconds in your lamp. You're going to use your nail cleanser and a lint-free wipe to remove the sticky residue after curing your top coat. Finishing off the manicure using the Nonicure serum to hydrate the hands and nails. You can use this in between manicures to improve your natural nail health. Strong nails and even better manicures using 14-day mani system.